Well, you know something pretty special is happening when everyone leaves their offices to go see the kickstart of a project. Transferring a canister of uranium-233 that has been around since the 1950s into a hot cell facility, yeah, that'll do it. That material has major medical implications. It's being used to further cancer research and treatment. It's got a lot of people hopeful and some locals really proud. Decades-old material, reimagined.
We're storing these for reloading and reshipping.
The mission, to get rid of the uranium-233 stored at Oak Ridge National Laboratory that dates back to the start of the nuclear era.
We're starting out in our hot cell operations, and we actually have the radioactive material inside the hot cells.
This is one of environmental management's biggest projects. But what does it have to do with cancer?
Everyone, family, friends, people in our community, everyone is touched in some way by someone who has suffered from cancer.
When Jim Boland took over as president of Isotek Systems in 2010, even he wasn't entirely sure how this would all play out. Employees spent more than 500,000 hours getting ready to process it.
We discovered that there was a way to dispose directly of about half of the inventory, which we've completed. But then we had to sort out what do we do with the other half. And that's what's led us to this day that we're now talking about.
On this day, the first canister is pulled out.
I was over on the Building 3019 side of what was happening, and when we came out of the building with the first material, and I look across the street at Building 2026, it's all these Isotek folks.
A crowd forms.
Some of them even put on their best shirt for the event.
Employees come out of different buildings just to watch.
There's been all this preparation to this point, and so now to get to the spot where they're actually processing uranium and then extracting thorium that will deliver the TerraPower is just monumental for them.
Thorium is a rare man-made isotope. DOE, Isotek, and TerraPower are working together to use it to cure cancer. The treatment is called targeted alpha therapy.
Well, I started in the lab in 1991, so I worked on extracting some of the first thorium from the hot cells in 3019, so it's taken 30 years to get to this point.
The people working on every aspect of this know the significance.
It does make you feel good to come into work and knowing that what you're doing has some purpose beyond, you know, getting a paycheck.
Once used as a potential power source, today that same material may just hold the key to saving lives.
The amount of material that we potentially will be extracting is enough for, you know, hundreds of thousands of treatments.
And Oak Ridge, Tennessee is the only place in the world it exists.
I may not be able to use it, but hopefully it'll be out there for my kids or future generations that they can have some cancer therapy treatment.
As groundbreaking as it once was, only this time with a whole new purpose.